In real projects, it is often the case that installers are called to solve technical issues that end user encounter on site. Here's how it's done traditionally. Check on site, however, it takes hours to be there by car. What's worse, time will be longer if caught in traffic jam. Remote PC control by software, it requires end users and installers to schedule an appropriate time when both are available, which is not so convenient. Port mapping? But a series of complicated operations can be really troublesome. So here comes the question: how to solve end users' device issues with higher efficiency? Milesight leverages its own CCTV Router, Milesight Pro app, and Milesight CMS to accomplish remote maintenance of end-user on-site devices in batch. Easy steps to help you kick the problems away. By deploying Milesight CCTV Router UR32S to the actual application scenes, end users can share the devices with installers via Milesight Pro app in batch easily. In that way, the highly efficient remote management can be achieved, as installers can provide the remote support service for the shared devices on Milesight CMS. Milesight Smart Remote Management Solution, the integrated and user-friendly system with high security that facilitates installers to provide technical support and solve issues easily. To learn more about how the solution works, please watch the next video. Better inside, more inside.